Hello, today we're going to be making, or remaking rather, the ocean wave that we made last time. Last time, if you'll recall, we used the Starry Nights fragrance and it accelerated, and so we couldn't do our drops or our in the pot swirl. But I still like the design and like the top, how it's spooned up on there. It looks really nice and like a wave. I just don't like the color. So today we're going to be using absinthe, I believe is how you pronounce that. There we go. I've already got that measured out here. And this time, instead of using just one blue, we're going to tempt the fates a little bit more and use two blues, which on camera look about the same. In real life, they look very different. So we're going to...
Those zhuzhs in the water. I think they need to put that word in the dictionary. Zhuzh. I don't know how you would spell it, but zhuzh.
Carefully. Carefully and with confidence. Now that we've had our squabble, let me go ahead and pour the lye into the oil. I pour it down, or try to pour it down the stick blender to decrease bubbles. I do it so it doesn't splash my face.
Yeah, that's why I do it.
Okay, and we just want it like together before I put the fragrance oil in here. We're trying to do everything we can today to not accelerate, and I might be taking a lot of breaks because my bangs keep falling into my face.
If anybody is interested in buying our soaps, we did just set up our PayPal today. So you can message me or Jess, and both of us is Garut. On Facebook, you can leave us a note down in the comments. Both of us are on Instagram.
I'm on Twitter. My handle is Oklahoma Jaws.
We do not have a website or anything yet. We're working on that. But yes, we are selling them, and yes, we can put something. And our new company name is Making Bubbles and More. It used to be Corky Natural Creations, but...
That was when she was by herself.
Yeah, that was by ourselves, and I never really loved it. So, again, it's Making Bubbles and More. Oh, that's the other thing I wanted you to do. I could not figure out how to get that off of my nickname for my YouTube.
Oh, I have no idea. That has to do with Google stuff.
Oh, yeah. Alright, I'll have to figure it out. I think I'll have to go on the computer and do it.
It smells very
I
clean.
think you might have gotten these too dark. I don't know.
I can add some titanium dioxide.
No, I wouldn't do that. I mean, it's up to you, but I'm scared of...
So, because none of them are the same amount. This one has the least amount in it, and it's going to be the white. And this one is, one's going to be the other. One's going to be one blue, and one's going to be the other blue. I don't care. But I didn't see any point in them being 50-50. I don't think I told you guys what colors I'm using. One is Celestial Blue one's Caribbean, and the other one is Lapis Blue Mica.
Sorry, I didn't have to walk in front of you. Oopsies. This. just cleaning up after you.
Yeah. Yeah. I think this slowed down Trace.
Yeah. To answer to your question, we have 3 more lies up here. Lie. Okay. You need to yell at me if you
Look at these two blues, Mom. They are very different.
Yes.
Okay.
If you hear footprints, I'm pacing back and forth. Since she started working with me, I'm having to rearrange a few things. Not her fault, just we're stepping up our game. So I've got to rearrange a little bit to make things more convenient. Talking to you in the camera. So if you need me, you need to yell.
Okay, and I'm not doing all of it. I left a little bit left in there. Left a little bit left in there, yes. To put on top. So I just always like to make sure that we wash it after each time, but I just want to make sure it's clean before we add this in there. And I'm just gonna.
I was sleeping the other day. We live right next to to Fort Sill, which is a military base. And they decided to start booming really loud. Everything in my house is vibrating. And all I could think of while I was sitting there, laying there sleeping, is my lye containers falling off the shelf. And that's what I'm doing right now, is giving me a peace of mind.
Give Fort Sill a piece of your mind. Okay, I need your help.
Okay.
I don't know how we're gonna do it. I guess we'll just.
You're gonna have to wait for this to set up a little bit. Yeah, it's just gonna. It's gonna go in and it's gonna push this. That's so pretty. I mean, the clean. Yeah, no messes.
I know, not yet.
I can't even do that. But I would wait for that to set up some more. I know that's gonna set up, but you can just spoon it on.
Yeah, I guess I just. You see how this? I just want this part right here to make sure that that's white.
The caps.
Yeah.
Wave caps. I think that's what it's called.
I don't know. I'm from Oklahoma.
I'm from Oklahoma, but I grew up in Florida.
So I guess don't look at me. When I did it,
I know what you means. I don't have to look.
instead of, I don't know, because I usually try to do it in the corners of my bucket or on the sides.
I didn't know if you were talking to me or them. You're talking to both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm talking to you now,
You
then later.
You feel neglected?
Yeah! I'm having to demand attention.
Okay, I'm listening.
I don't have anything to say now. I forgot.
Or you can just put a teaspoon of sugar in it for the
A
vegan.
spoonful of sugar? Would you say a spoonful of sugar? Okay, we're back and we're going to go ahead and should I just spoon it down the middle or should I texture it and then spoon it?
Whatever you're wanting. You don't have that much.
I know.
I would probably put it down the middle and then pull it, because that'll make your caps join. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so just pour it down the middle.
Careful with your nozzle there.
Says the woman that...
That will cover up. I don't know what kind of spoon you want. A little one or a
Big fat,
one?
fatty fat.
Oh, big fat, fatty fat? A big fat, fatty fat like this? Or this? Or this?
Fatty fat.
Okay.
Leave both those middle ones. Okay, there's this. So pull this down here?
Yeah. Why did you do that?
Because I was gonna do it the other way. Because we're pulling this down.
And then you can put.
And then I'm gonna pull it up.
Yeah. You can just kind of ruffle their feathers. I don't know if that made sense, but it made sense in my head.
It didn't make sense. I wasn't gonna say anything though.
You do need to watch that Galaxy one. I don't know why. It's my favorite video of any of the videos that I've made and we've made. I was just cracking up the whole time editing it. Our personalities together have come a long way. Maybe that's why I enjoyed it so much. But I mean, you know what I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Because they used to clash. Okay. They still do sometimes, don't they? Dad loved it. I loved it.
Okay, good. We got the fan going so I can put the sparkles on. I hope you can hear my son in there.
You hope they can?
Yeah, so they can hear him go. If not, you got to hear me do it, so. This is not the one!
What are you looking for?
I need the other one! The other one, they got mixed up.
Whose fault was that?
Yours!
No.
What do I do?
You just go with it. Or you can touch it a little bit with your soap, mix it in, or your finger. Kind of blend it in there. And then
I hope you can hear my son in there.
You hope they can?
Yeah, so they can hear him go. If not, you got to hear me do it, so. This is not the one!
What are you looking for?
I need the other one! The other one, they got mixed up.
Whose fault was that?
Yours!
No.
What do I do?
You just go with it. Or you can touch it a little bit with your soap, mix it in, or your finger. Kind of blend it in there.
I didn't even check it because usually they're sitting next to each other, and this one is the one that I want, and this one is the one that I didn't want.
Okay.
Oh, I hate this. I got it so perfect.
I don't know who I'm talking to. But
Not me. I'm over here being angry. Okay.
we need to make a real natural, well,
This is just
so one time.
alcohol.
Spinach powder, chamomile powder.
Beets!
Beets powder.
This is what I used. Ivory cream mica. This is what I wanted. Super sparkle white diamond mica powder.
We could do beets one color and carrot another color. I don't know what color carrots turn out. No, but
This is what it looks like. I guess she'll have you back for the cutting.
let's cut this soap. It's been a little over 24 hours. Okay. Oh, got more of the swirls that she wanted. Well, I don't know. Believe it or not, this is the first one that she did. And it's not at all what she wanted, but then this is the second one. I don't know why it looks like it has less batter in it. That's weird. I kind of like this one better. still sticky. Thought that was a heart, but it's not. Saturday, so my husband's home. Oh, colors are beautiful. I think that's what she was right out, fresh out of the mold. Stickier. I don't think I've ever said this in a video, but those that have a cutter like this, you probably know just by the way it looks in the sticker. I know you can't see the sticker all the way, but I can tell when someone using a Bud. This is a Bud Hefner's soap cutter, and I could tell. My daughter sold her first, made her first sale today. She sold 4 soaps. Oh, I don't think I showed you. Unlike in my other world, they're all pretty much the same. Kinda. That's it. You guys have a great day. Bye. Glad you got to see me.